It's here. It's my new Raspberry Pi 02 something something. And yeah, it's super tiny. I really like the form factor. It's gonna do great in my car. I'm still waiting for the motor controller, the Moto Zero thing. That one is being shipped from the UK, so that's probably gonna be here in a couple of days. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can start soldering the pin header to this Raspberry Pi as a little test of my soldering skills. So I'm a bit, how should I put this? I'm not really sure what I'm doing, and the pins are so tiny. So this is really going to be a challenge, and I have a cheap soldering iron I just got a week ago. Yeah, so let's try it out. Okay, so this was a bit harder than or it's exactly as hard as I imagine it. So what I need to do now is I had to go back to my local store and get some, what do you call that? Like a solder wick thingy, to see if I can suck up some of this solder that's spilled everywhere. I also think I put my soldering iron on a bit too much heat, so I'm afraid I'm actually gonna burn the board. Let's see if I can save this, and yeah, let's try it when I'm done. It's not the prettiest work, and I see a bit of bubbles on the PCB itself. I guess that's not a good thing. Yeah, so let's just try to plug it in and see what happens. Hopefully a little LED should light up and indicate that we have power. If it doesn't, I'm in trouble, and I probably need to get a new one. Yeah, let's see. Oh crap. Of course. Yeah, it's exactly what I was afraid of. So I pretty much screwed up this brand new Raspberry Pi, so that really sucks. I'm gonna see if I can practice my soldering skills a bit off camera before I do my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and order a new one, and until then, check out something else, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.